Hi everyone, welcome back to WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to share Instagram profile link. So to begin the process, first thing is open the Instagram and then get logged in into the account of yours. So once you are logged in into the Instagram account of yours, what you need to do is tap on your profile icon on the bottom right, tap that. There on the profile page, you will have the option of share profile just beside the edit profile. You tap on share profile, tap that. So here, this is a easy way the Instagram has made update for you to share your Instagram account with your friends or any other person. If you want to share your profile with somebody else, all they have to do is scan this QR code and they will be able to view your profile and follow you. Now, if you want to share a link, you need to tap on share profile, tap that option. Now from here, you will be able to share it to the different social media platform that is available in your mobile device or you have been using in your phone device. You can see all the options or the social media that I have. From here, I will be able to share this QR code to each and everyone from here. This is a way how you can easily share Instagram profile link. You can also copy link the profile link and share it. So this is how you can share Instagram profile link. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.